It is highly beneficial for individuals to understand the importance of becoming competent and formidable, thereby asserting their rightful position in society. Why dangerous? Because it stands as the antithesis of weakness, which is inherently undesirable. Those who resort to violence, such as those who perpetrate school shootings, demonstrate their inherent weakness. The notion of being dangerous suggests being formidable, as life presents numerous challenges that require readiness to face them. However, this does not imply advocating cruelty or violence. The phrase, "the meek shall inherit the earth," from the New Testament is often misunderstood. It implies those who possess strength but exercise restraint will ultimately prevail. This perspective emphasizes the necessity of being powerful and commanding, followed by maintaining peace. It is distinct from being naive, feeble, or harmless, qualities often encouraged in young men. Such traits are ill-suited for navigating life's hardships and should be avoided. Naivety and weakness leave individuals ill-equipped to handle adversity, potentially leading to bitterness and, subsequently, dangerous behavior. It is crucial to differentiate between empowering individuals to act independently and advocating for them to become dangerous. Being dangerous implies having the capability but choosing not to utilize it. Without this capability, one's self-control lacks moral substance. Martial arts instructors understand this concept well. Proficiency in combat is coupled with discipline and restraint, which together foster virtue. Otherwise, weakness may be mistaken for moral goodness, which is erroneous. A harmless individual is not inherently good. True goodness requires strength and resilience. As asserted, a good man is a very dangerous man who has that under voluntary control. How can one become more dangerous? Developing articulate communication skills is paramount. Verbal prowess, akin to physical strength, instills confidence and commands respect. This facet of competence is often neglected, particularly among young men who may be skeptical of formal education. Disagreeable boys, in particular, benefit from understanding the power of articulation. Verbal competence equips individuals to effectively navigate the complexities of life, much like a martial artist maneuvers through combat. The popularity of rap music among disenfranchised youth, regardless of race, attests to the allure of articulate expression. Through rap, marginalized voices find resonance and empowerment, offering an alternative path to reclaiming their place in society. This narrative mirrors timeless archetypes of the outsider seeking rightful recognition, prevalent in mythology and literature. The redemptive power of articulate expression transcends cultural boundaries, offering hope and inspiration to those who feel alienated. In essence, verbal prowess symbolizes controlled danger, a potent force for positive transformation.